Rightio, so today we working on my Skyline. We've got wiring to do. What else? Wiring.
You got a pod to put on.
Yeah. Pod. Caleb's going to put on the pod for the recorder, I suppose you'd call it. One of those little pods.
Fit up the front bar properly.
Fit up the front bar properly. Finish off that. As you can see, there's no pod. We're going to finish wiring and a few other things we've got to do. Anyway, we got to push this thing backwards and yeah, start on it. Hey dude?
It gets stuck in.
Yeah. Exactly.
Got it stuck in your head a bit there.
Yeah. Yep, that's what happens when you play silly videos, mate. Good song though. We've got the front end finally finished off. Just about ready to put this front bar back on. Once it's on for good, and I just got to buff it up, get all the dirty handprints off it, make the paint look a lot better. Got to buff a little bit on the rear bar, and panel work on this is done. I do still have to continue wiring. I did do a little bit today. Admittedly, I got a little bit sidetracked finishing this front end off, making it nice, and tidying up the power steering and everything else, because that's what happens. Anyway, I'm going to slip this back on, tidy it all up, finish it off, and hopefully it doesn't have to come back off again, ever. Anyway, we're going to do this. I lied. I've got to trim it again. Buff, compound, let's do it. So, we finished it off. We finished off the whole front end, buffed it. So all the panels are on, all the windows are in. We have a boot lock to put in. What else?
Rear wiper, door cards,
Wiring.
just putting the gear knobs and steering column in.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing